Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Suprajit Engineering. Our analyst maintains buy on Suprajit Engineering with a revised price target of Rs 642 on its long-term growth prospect with healthy traction in the automotive business, continued order wins, and expected revival in the non-auto business. The recent acquisition of SCS is at an attractive valuation and assumed to be value accretive on turnaround of SCS. Suprajit's diversified, de-risked, and innovation-driven business model is expected to support the growth momentum in upcycle. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 23.9 times its FY26 estimates. Next we cover LIC Housing Finance. Our analyst maintains buy rating on LIC Housing with a price target of Rs 850. Earnings trajectory is expected to improve, led by pickup in growth and stable asset quality. Individual home loan disbursement improved in Q4 after a decline in the past 5 quarters. Moreover, recently announced measure of additional 3 crore house construction under PMAY scheme is potentially positive. Companies guiding for lower double-digit business growth in FY25 versus 4% in FY24 as technology and organizational restructuring has been fully done. Successful ARC recoveries in near term is also a key catalyst. Given the multi-year upcycle in real estate and rising per capita income, we expect housing finance company to grow in tandem with the real estate sector, providing an attractive investment opportunity at comfortable valuation. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 1.1 times its FY25 and 1 times its FY26 adjusted book value estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.